Hi guys, going to try my launcher for these catapult things. I'm trying to do it somewhere away from the public so nobody thinks I'm shooting a rifle or anything. The only trouble is it's been wet, so everything's muddy. So, let's have a look. We might be alright here. So, hat camera on, and we'll give it a try. You might notice I've got 3 of them now, because there was one left when I went back. I've rounded this off, put a little bit of a notch on it. Let's try straight up. Well, that worked. Make sure we don't lose sight of them. So, hooked on the end, pull it back, hook on the trigger, shoot. Hook on the end, pull it back, on the trigger, shoot. Hook on the end, pull it back on the trigger, shoot. They're all roughly the same distance, which is good. So there we go. My launcher works. A bit windy that way. We'll try shooting it back. Yeah. I would say that was a complete success and very simple. That little notch on the end makes life a lot easier. And I've sanded it all down. It's still pretty rough, but I gave it a quick run over with the electric sander, so it's a bit more comfortable to hold.
Hey, Thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.